A Missouri judge will decide whether voters will have to show a photo ID to cast a ballot. New at 6, our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley reports this isn't the first time the state's voter ID law has been hashed out in court.
Following a new law that passed in 2022, Missourians are required to show a valid government-issued photo ID to vote. While the state says no one has been denied a ballot, those challenging the requirement argue it's unconstitutional, and it makes it harder for some voters to cast a ballot.
If the state of Missouri cared about the integrity of our elections, they would be working to ensure that the voices of all Missourians could be heard.
Missouri's voter ID law is no stranger to the court system. Photo ID requirements were ruled unconstitutional in 2006 and then again in 2020.
It seems the government needs to be reminded that the fundamental right to vote and the right to equal protection of the laws are at the core of Missouri's Constitution.
After the case was dismissed last year, organizations suing the state have added another voter to the lawsuit and asked a Cole County judge to hear the challenge again. This time it's over a 4-day trial.
I concluded that the incidence of voter fraud nationally and in Missouri is exceedingly rare.
Before the law went into effect in 2022, a voter could use a student ID, a utility bill with your name and address, or a voter registration card. Those methods would now lead to a provisional ballot, meaning a voter can show back up with an acceptable ID, or the polling place must match the signature on the ballot with the one on file.
Depositions of local election authorities across the state revealed that there simply are no standards in place.
Attorneys representing the organizations challenging the law say this requirement leads to lower voter turnout.
Over 137,000 valid Missouri registered voters don't have any Missouri ID on file with the Missouri Department of Revenue.
Missouri Republicans have been working for decades to enact a voter ID law. In response to the trial, Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft said, regarding this case, every person has been able to vote. No one has been denied a ballot because they didn't have an ID. As specified in statute, my office will help get an ID for anyone who needs one to vote. Furthermore, if someone does not have an ID on Election Day, if they are registered, they can still vote. At least 20 other states require a photo ID to vote. While the trial is set to conclude Wednesday, the judge has not indicated on when he would issue a ruling. Reporting from Missouri Capitol Bureau, I'm Emily Manley.